Hi. That's not awkward. As you may have heard, there is a movie coming out today. It is how do you say that? Llorona. Okay, for real. It is Friday, April 19th of April of 2019. And I have something to open and I wanted to share it with all of you guys. I think I forgot a scissor cell. Do I have one in here? I'll be right back. I have to go get a scissors. Look at what I found. There is actually a point to this video. I have a box that I want to open. It came in the mail today. I have not opened it. All I have done is taken off critical information here as far as my address and Warner Brothers contact information. They may have spelled my name wrong, but hey, it happens. It happens all the time. So we're going to open this today, and I'm going to show you what's inside. If you guys have been following me, you should have seen that I was in full costume on Tuesday at AMC Rosedale promoting the movie La Llorona. And now Warner Brothers has sent me this special gift and I am so excited to see what is inside. Let's start here. We're serious about their packing tape. Open. Packing peanuts. Oh man, my cat loves these. It's gonna be all over them. Oh my goodness. This is not what I was expecting at all. Wow, you guys. How cool is this? Wow. I think it slides open. Yeah, it slides open. There's more. It's a story. It's pretty interesting folklore. Which is super creepy. Thank you. Papers to sign so they can use this video. It's awesome. Bubble wrap. A dropper bottle. It says La Llorona on it. And some sage. Again with the story on the back. Holy cow. Thank you so much, Warner Brothers. Thank you for letting me represent this movie and thank you for letting me be at the screener. I had so much fun. Thank you all for watching me open this box. This is amazing. Can't even believe it. Thank you. La Llorona is in theaters right now, like right this second. You should go see it tonight. If you can't see it tonight, at least do it this weekend. I know it's Easter weekend, but you can make time. It's so worth it. Thank you for watching. What are you doing? You know, I'm trying to like film something, right? Packing peanuts, I told you. I told you guys. God, do it again.